Sounds of the Rockies Entertainment Group and Colorado Casino Nights is your one-stop shop for your next college needs. From a fraternity event, from a Halloween event, to a rush event, or anything that your college may need, we can provide you casino games, we can provide you with DJ services, we can provide you with video services, indoor and outdoor, we can provide you with additional games and activities, we can provide you with upscale productions, lighting. Sounds of the Rockies and Colorado Casino Nights provides you your next college function with true gaming tables. These are the same tables that you're going to find in a Las Vegas casino. These are the kind of equipment that Sounds of the Rockies and Colorado Casino Nights offers to their clients.